Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's current affairs. Major setback for Trump as US court blocks tariff, which was imposed under the law International Emergency Economic Powers Act 1977. Said as its constitutional overreach. Trade impact. The decision halts broad tariff imposed since 2017, affecting trade with countries like China, Canada, and Mexico. Legal basis on the tariff decision. Case background. The decision was based on two cases filed by business and state coalitions. IEEPA Act 1977, which acted as legal basis. Judicial review. Constitutional principle allowing courts to assess the constitutionality and legality of executive or legislative actions. Understanding the tariff. Tariff types. Ad valorem. Calculated as percentage of value of imported goods. Specific tariff, fixed on the money charged per unit of imported goods. Compound tariff combines both ad valorem and specific tariffs. Other types were anti-dumping tariff, applied on the goods being sold below their fair market value to protect local industries from unfair competition. Countervailing duties, imposed to neutralize foreign government subsidies to export that they are unfairly benefiting from the international trade. Reciprocal tariff, tariff imposed in response to the similar duties levied by another country. BSF fortifies village guards initiative with arms training for Jammu border residents. BSF training initiative as village defense guards. Civil defense role, they act as second line of defense. VDG initiative was revived in 2022 after 20 years gap. Amarnath Yatra security, 52,000 plus CAPF personnel sanctioned for security during Amarnath Yatra. Village defense guard structure, group composition, contains 15 in numbers each group. Leadership shall be headed by retired officer of Army Central Paramilitary Force. Composition, all VDGs are eligible for monthly remuneration. Supervision, VDG are function under the supervision of District Superintendent of Police, Senior Superintendent of Police. Election Commission single point dashboard likely to be operational before Bihar election. ECI Net launch. Election Commission to launch ECI Net, an integral dashboard to unify 40 plus existing election related apps and services. Implementation timeline. Some modules to be used in June 19 Assembly by-election, full rollout expected by Bihar Assembly election. Standardized goal. Election Commission of India Net aims to standardize election operation amid rising concern over voter roll anomalies and duplication. Voter roll accuracy. Initiative includes direct integration of death records to improve electoral roll accuracy. Voter convenience enhancement, reduced poll station cap, mobile management are introduced, official training for large-scale BLOs and BLO supervisors. Key electoral concepts, ECI Net Dashboard, integrating tool for data and operations, booth level officers, field level functionaries for electoral rolls. Electoral roll purification, updating the voter list by removing duplicates. These were the key electoral concepts. SEBI to collaborate with probe agencies to safeguard investors. It's all about SEBI. Plans to coordinate with other agencies like Enforcement Directorate, CBI, Cybercrime Police, and other to tackle cyber frauds and market manipulation. UPI security enhancement. A new UPI mechanism is being developed to ensure funds to go to registered bank account, reducing chance of fraud. The term finfluencer has been used for background. App whitelisting. Only whitelisted apps will be allowed for financial transaction. Rogue apps will be removed from app stores. Additional SEBI investor protection measures were company disclosure verification has been done, comprehensive protection will be applied, investor survey will be done. SEBI organizational structure. The chairman of the SEBI nominated by Union Government of India, Government nominees where 5 members are by Union Government of India, which at least 3 are full-time members. Finance Ministry representatives, 2 members representing Union Finance Ministry. RBI representative, only 1 member from RBI represents SEBI. SEBI Board Removal Authority. Authority will be central government under specific conditions they will be removed. Condition 1, adjudicate as insolvent. Condition 2, unsound mind. Condition 3, convicted of an offence involving moral turpitude deemed by central government. Mains question discussion. Please try to write this question and our daily mains question. Thank you.